Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video, we will learn how to troubleshoot IPsec VPN in FortiGate Firewall. So friends, I will tell you in easy way, step by step with CLI command, with debug command, how to troubleshoot IPsec VPN phase 2, phase 1, okay, with different scenario, okay. So friends, you can see this is my topology here, site A, site A and site B. Okay, site A and site B. So friends, in this in site B firewall, I have already configured site to site VPN, and on this firewall, I will show you how to configure IPsec VPN. Okay, and will troubleshoot. So you can see on site A, my selector network is 10.1.10 will be my selector here, and for site B, my selector will be 192.168 1.078 172.16 1.0 will be selector. On site B we'll have two selector and site A will have one selector. So you can see for site A my peer IP is 1.1.2, for site B my peer IP 1.1.8. So let's configure IPsec on site A firewall. Okay, so you can see I have, so friends you can see this is my site A firewall. Let me show you the networks. Port 2 my LAN interface and port 3 will be external interface on which we'll configure site to site VPN. So friends, on the left pane you can see VPN. Just click here and click on IPsec tunnel. Now create a new, then click on IPsec. So IPsec site A we will configure custom so that we can learn how to configure it. Now click on next. Now friends, you can see IP version 4. Now it's asking IP of remote gateway, remote peer IP 1.1.2, my peer IP 1.1.2, interface will be port 1. Okay. Now no need to enable net, disable net. Okay. On demand, advanced, no need to. So friends, you can see authentication method will be preset key. Okay. Now provide your preset key. I will use same parameter which I have configured on site B firewall. Okay. So on the phase 1 proposal is encryption. So encryption will be DES and MD5. Authentication will be MD5 and group 2 will select group 2. Okay. Local lifetime will be 86,400 and remote side I have also used 86,400. Okay. Now friends, we have to add selectors. So for site A, my local will be 10.1.0 and remote will be 192.172. So let's put here local 10.1.1.0/24, remote 192.168.1.0/24. So advanced, click on advanced. Now we'll select here phase 2 proposal. Encryption DES, no anti-replay, no PFS. We'll have so authentication method MD5. Okay, lifetime 43,200 second. Okay, now click on OK. Now again go to edit. Now we have to add another selector here 172 selector V. You can use any name selector V. So for selector V, my local will be 10, remote will be 172.16. Okay, 10.1.1.0/24 172.16 1.0/24. So phase 2 proposal will be MD5 DS, no anti replay, Okay, now click on OK. Now friends, we have configured IPsec here. Now we have to configure policy. Just click here, policy and objects. Now firewall policy, create new, site A. Okay, incoming interface. So incoming interface port 2, outgoing port 3, source will be 10 and destination will be my remote network. Side B, so we have added both network. Side B, you can see both network we have added here. Now service will be all, flow based, no net, and okay. Here we will select log, will we select all. Okay. Now friends, we have created policy. We have to create a reverse policy for reverse traffic. Now just click here and click here clone reverse. Then right click and enable it. Okay. Now we have enabled, you can see. Now source is side B and destination side A. Now friends, you have to create route here to reach destination route. Click here. So go to route here 192.168.1.0 1.0/24 site is site B. So it will go via tunnel. Okay. If I choose gateway, so friends, if I will choose this tunnel, I okay, then traffic will go via this tunnel. Okay. Now we'll clone this route for 170 172.16.1.1.0. Now click on OK. Now friends, you can see we have a route, we have a policy, and we have created VPN. Now our phase one should up. Let's see. So you can see our phase one is not getting up. What could be the reason? So you can see these are my selector. Both selector are down. Phase one, phase two both down. So what could be the reason why it's getting down? Okay. So let's go on CLI. Now friends, let's try to bring up. Okay. Just click here and all. So you can see phase one, phase two both down. Now let's initiate traffic from source ping 172.16.1.1. So you can see destination not reachable. Then what could be the reason? Let's debug here in policy. Let's try to check here. First of all, we'll check VPN tunnel summary. Get VPN IPsec tunnel summary. So you can see IPsec tunnel site A, side B, remote gateway 1.2. We have a total selected 2 up 0 means so there is no traffic. Selector is down. First of all, friend will ping PRIP. If you are pinging, then it's okay. So you can say it's pinging. Let's check if you are getting UDP 500 traffic. Diagnose sniffer packet any host remote IP 1.1.2 and port 500 40A. So let's see if you are getting traffic for 500 UDP 500. So friends, you can see IKEY traffic is there. Patient traffic we are receiving from partner. Okay, PRIP means there is no connectivity issue. Okay, now we'll troubleshoot phase one. Why phase one is not coming up? Okay, phase one should be come up. Diagnose VPN IKE gateway list name. My phase one. My tunnel name is IPsec AV. Okay, this is my tunnel name. So you can see still it's showing connecting. If phase 1 is down, if there is no traffic, if something mismatched, then it will show connecting in phase 1. Now friends, we will use debug command. Why phase 1 is down? Okay, so let's check debug command. Diagnose VPN IKE log filter destination address my peer IP 1.1.1.2. Okay, diagnose debug application IKE -1. So debug message will be on for 30 minutes. Diagnose debug console, sorry, console timestamp enable. Okay, diagnose debug enable. Okay, so let's see what we'll see here. Now friends, we have to disable it. Okay, let's disable. Now you can see this is a debug output. Okay, let's see what is what we are getting. You can see IKEY exchange identity protection. IKEY comes one dot from here. UDP 500, DPD fragmentation, FortiGate. This one no policy config. So friends, you can see IPSec site AV ignoring IKEY request. Ignoring IKEY request, no policy configured. So friends, we have configured policy, but here is showing no policy configured. So let's say in policy. Okay, go to policy. So okay, what we have mistake here. So friends, you can see port 3. We have selected here port 3, but we should select here. But we should select here IPsec site. Okay, tunnel interface. Friends, we have to select here tunnel interface instead of port. Okay, remember that. Now click on OK. Now for reverse policy, we have to select tunnel interface instead of port. Reverse. Now we'll see. Now we'll again run. So friends, now you can see diagnose VPN IKEY gateway list name, tunnel name, site AV. Okay, address. You can see essay created 1/1 direction responder. Okay, now you can see established. So phase 1 established here, friends. You can see phase 1 established. Okay, now go to GUI, go to IPsec VPN, IPsec tunnel, click here. So you can see phase 1 established, but still phase 2 is down. So why phase 2 is down? We have to manually. So friend, we have to manually generate the traffic, or we have to bring up here. Okay. So before generating traffic, before bring up, so let's check what is showing in logs here. Okay. For phase 2, for phase 2 we'll see. For phase 2 command is here, diagnose VPN tunnel list name, your tunnel name. So friends, let me show you here. Please see carefully. So friend, this is for phase 2 troubleshooting. Proxy ID, one thing let me show you. You can see SA0, Proto 0, SA0. SA0 means SA0 means mismatch between the selector and no traffic being initiated. Okay. So as that's why SA0 is showing. So you can see no any encryption or decryption. So let's initiate traffic. We'll see here. Now let me ping. Now you can see traffic here. We are successfully now again. Now again run this command. So friends, you can see we have a two selector. Okay, we have a two selector for destination source 10.1.0, destination 192.168.1.0. Still tuner is down. Still this selector is down as a 0. Now we have initiated traffic for 172.16. So you can see for source 10.1.0, destination 172.16.1.0, SA1. SA1 means selector is matching and traffic on this selector. You can see there is a traffic, encapsulation and decryption. Decrypt and encrypt packet is there. Okay. So now again initiate traffic for 192, 192, 168, 1.1. So you can see we have a traffic now. Let's again run this command. Okay. So you can see for source 1.1.0, destination 192.168, SA1 means selector is up. Okay. Now you can see there is encrypt or decrypt packet for this selector. Okay. So you can see now. So let's go on GUI. On GUI, you can see just refresh it. You can see both phase 1 and phase 2 is up. So friends, let me do one thing. Okay. Let me change something in phase 1. So let's go to logs here, forward traffic. So you can see we have a log. It's a VPN traffic, IPSec site A, site B. So let's do one thing. Just edit our VPN, then do some mismatches there. Okay. Edit phase 1 proposal. Just do a SA1. Just we are changing here. Then we'll see what will happen. Now you can see. So you can see phase 1, phase 2 both down. Okay. We have changed the phase 1 parameters. Okay. So it's not getting up. So what is showing again? Run this command. So you can see there is no traffic. SA0, SA0 for both. Let's run here phase 1. Now friends, so you can see it's showing connecting, means phase 1 is down, is trying to connect. Okay. Now friends, what we can do now, just run debug here. Just run debug. We can run debug here, enable. Then let's see what's it showing here. Disable, debug disable. Okay. Then let's see what is showing. What is in debug? So you can see IKEY UDP packet comes here. Exchange identity responder parameters. Main mode first message. You can see. Okay. IKEY nonce. You can see nonce here. Encapsulation IKEY. DES encryption method will is DES. Hash method MD5. Authentication method period. Okay, group 2. Okay, lifetime 86. So what is my proposal? What is my proposal here? Okay, encryption DES and hash is SA. You can see here hash method is SA1, SA, and here hash method is MD5. So you can see hashing method not matching here. That's why it's getting so you can see, let me show you, negotiation failure is showing here. Negotiation failure. So that's why it's showing negotiation failure, because hash method is different. So let me correct it. Okay. So let me correct first. Go to IPSec, edit, MD5. Now click on OK. Now again initiate traffic. Now you can see traffic is there. So we'll again check here. Okay, so you can see traffic is there. Okay, now friends, let's do some changes in phase 2. Okay, then we'll see what will happen. Do some changes in phase 2. Now friends, do one thing. Let me do change the selectors. Okay, mismatch is the selector. Okay, edit. If I will change here selector. Okay, 2. Okay, then let's see what will happen. So you can see, now you can see this selector is down, means selector mismatch is there. We have changed the selectors here, it is down. Now friends, we'll run here command. So we'll see for 172.16 we have destination selector 2.0. Okay, so it's showing here as a 0, means there is mismatch between the selector or no traffic. Okay, so we'll check with other domain, so we will check with a partner, and if selector is matching then it will okay, if not matching then it's showing as a 0. Okay, so I have changed my selector, that's why it's showing down. So I'm going to do one thing, just edit and change selector again, because selector is not matching with partner end. Okay, 1.0. Now, so that when we set traffic then it will up. Okay, so you can see it's up now. So friends, in this video we have seen IPSec VPN troubleshooting on FortiGate Firewall, how to troubleshoot IPSec VPN with different scenario. Okay, so friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.